ECDL Advanced, Excel. We're just starting section 6, which is templates, and within this section we're going to be covering creating and understanding templates, using templates, and editing templates. The first of these lessons is going to be lesson 26, which is creating a template. A template is a base worksheet that has been prepared ready for data to be entered. It can contain text, graphics, formulas, protection, macros and formatting. Using a template ensures consistency of appearance and performance for the spreadsheets based on it. Templates are created by specifying a save as type of template when saving. They are given a file extension of .xltx, which distinguishes them from normal workbooks. Okay, for the purposes of this lesson, please open the workbook Budget, which I've got open here on the screen. This represents the budget data for a small company. To change this workbook into a template, the base data must be removed, leaving the formulas. So, in order to do that, delete the data in the ranges B2 to M3. B5 to M6. And B8 to M9. To save this workbook as an Excel template, click the File tab, then Save As, and in the Save As type box down here, choose Excel template. Notice how the location for the saved file changes automatically to the Custom Office Templates folder. At that stage, click Save. The workbook is now saved as a template and stored with other templates. Now close the budget template, and we'll deal further with templates in the next 2 lessons. Okay, I look forward to seeing you for the next one, which will be lesson 27, using a template. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.